Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a video and change it from horizontal to vertical in Clipchamp. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank project, which is in a landscape 16:9 format, and I'll be changing that to a vertical one. Now, if I, add the video, which I have imported and then dragged into the timeline, it looks like this. Again, it is horizontal. However, if I want to make it vertical, I can change the aspect ratio. Let me just delete the video from the timeline. The aspect ratio is changed through this ratio here. You just click on it and select the aspect ratio which you want, and it'll be selected. You can have, if you want it vertical, you have 2:3, 4:5, and 9:16, which is just 16:9, except the other way around. So let's click that one, and that's what the video looks like now. So if I add the video here, as you can see, it is in a vertical sort of alignment, but as you can see, the video itself is still horizontal. For that, you can just flip it like this and elongate the actual video frame like so, and you just drag around the nodes until you fulfill the space that you wish, and that is pretty much how that is done. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.